Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to exit and sign out your League of Legends game. So at first, all you have to do is just launch your game through the right client. And as you launch your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right top corner for that cross sign and just click on there, where you can see this option sign out. But guys, let me show you again. As you're in this home screen, look at the right top corner for that cross sign and just click on there and click on the option sign out. And as you do that guys, you have signed out and exit the game. So guys, that's how you sign out and exit the League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.